How to get tax refund from HMRC. Now, I'm not a licensed professional. You want to make sure that you always consult with a licensed professional when you do your taxes and for any tax matters. But here's a step-by-step guide. Check if you're owed a tax refund. You may be owed a tax refund if you paid too much income tax due to changes in income or incorrect tax codes. You overpaid on self-assessment taxes. You overpaid tax on savings interest or pension contributions. You paid too much tax on employment income due to business expenses or professional fees. You've stopped working or are on a lower income than expected. You overpaid capital gains tax or VAT. Claiming a tax refund for payee employees if you're employed. If you're employed and pay tax through the pay-as-you-earn system, HMRC may automatically adjust your tax code and refund overpaid tax. But if you think you've overpaid and haven't received a refund, you can claim it. How to claim it? You can do it online via HMRC's website. You will log into your personal tax account using your government gateway ID. Go to the tax refund section and follow the instructions to check if you're owed a refund. If eligible, you can claim your refund online. You may need your P60 or P45 for the tax year in question. By post, Form P50. If you stopped working and think you're due a refund, you can fill out Form P50. You can download it from HMRC's website, complete it, and send it to HMRC by post. Claiming tax refund for self-employment or if you file self-assessment. If you are self-employed or need to file a self-assessment tax refund, you might overpay tax, especially if your income or circumstances have changed. How to claim it? You gotta complete a self-assessment tax refund. Submit your self-assessment for the relevant tax year, and if you've overpaid, HMRC will calculate your refund. You can file your return online through HMRC's website or use third-party tax software. To request a refund, once you've submitted your self-assessment, you can request a refund directly in your self-assessment account. Alternatively, in your tax account, if your tax account is in credit, HMRC may issue an automatic refund. You can claim tax refund for work-related expenses. You can claim tax back for certain work-related expenses like mileage and travel costs, uniform and work clothing costs, professional fees, and subscriptions. How you can claim this? Online, you can claim tax relief on expenses via the HMRC Tax Relief for Employees online form, postal form PH7. If you're claiming for multiple years or more complex expenses, you can use the form PH7. Claiming refund for overpayment of capital gains tax or VAT. For capital gains tax refunds, file an amended tax refund if you have mistakenly overpaid. For VAT refunds, you may be entitled to reclaim VAT on certain purchases or services, particularly for businesses. You can use the VAT refund scheme or include it in your VAT return. What happens after you claim? Once you submit your claim, HMRC will review your claim and issue your refund. Refunds are typically made within 4 to 6 weeks, sometimes faster if you apply online. You may receive the refund via bank transfer, check, or as an adjustment to your next tax bill. Track your refund. You can track the status of your refund by logging into your personal tax account or self-assessment account online. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.